Hello everyone, my name is Arushi Krishna and today I am going to show the project which I have made for the Microsoft Engage program. So, here is my content based movie recommendation system. So as you can see on the screen, I have given it an input of Tangled, and on the recommendation it is showing Aladdin, Toy Story, Frozen, Smurfs, etc., which are all kids based stories lines and also of the animation genre. So I can, if I want recommendation for some other movie, I can select from the drop down menu, or I can manually enter. Supposedly if I enter and if I tell it to show me the recommendations, then I get Silent Trigger, Open Road, Assassin, basically some action movies. If I give it Life of Pi and I tell it to show me the recommendation, then it gives me some animation movies which are also thriller. If I enter a non-fictional movie and if I want the recommendations, then it will give Gandhi My Father, The Wind That Shakes the Bali, which are supposedly of the non-fictional genre. Now, if I search a thriller movie, supposedly a spy game, then I'm getting all the thriller movies. So, how it is working? Now I'll move to my Jupyter notebook. Here I have loaded movies file and credits file from the Kaggle database, and I am checking the movies and I'm checking the credits of about what columns are there in the dataset. Now I am merging both datasets. Now I'm getting this kind of array in genre, but what I want is action, thriller, etc. ID 28, name, etc. are not needed. Similarly, in cast also, we don't need cast ID, character name, just we need the actor name. So, after importing AIST, I'm converting it into the array which is needed: action, adventure, fantasy, etc. Similarly, I'm converting the cast also. So we get what we want as a keyword for the content system. So comedy, romance, this can be made into tags. And for that I'm using vectorize and using cosine similarity to generate a vector, which is a quite big vector of 4, 806 and 5000 columns and rows respectively. So after computing the similarity of each movie to other movie, it is generating a matrix like that, and then after that I'm making a recommendation function, and after that I'm checking the recommendation function on a movie Gandhi. So it is recommending quite the same genres, and after that when I'm assured that my system is working well, I import pickle and dump it into my PyCharm. In my PyCharm I have imported Streamlit. In my app I have installed Streamlit, and after that I have made a fetch poster function and recommend movie function, which is quite similar to the one which I have created in the Jupyter notebook. Now fetch poster is fetching the posters of the movie from the TMDB API key, and this recommend movie is fetching the movie names and its posters. So now I have made a header file st streamlit header movie recommendation system, and open the pickle file which I have pasted here, movies and similarity pickle files, after dumping it from the Jupyter notebook. And I'm making the buttons for the show recommendations. After that, I have made 5 columns for the top 5 recommendations in Streamlit, and basically I have run the app.py on Streamlit. So after running the app.py, I'm getting the system like this on my local host and checking it on various genres. It is recommending fine. Like it is recommending Pirates of Caribbean, thriller, Puss in Boots, etc. So that's all from my side. This was a content based movie recommendation system for my project. Thank you.